Hello everyone and welcome back to Spelling Sessions Part 3. If you have not watched Part 1 and Part 2, do give it a watch. So let's begin. So first spelling for the day is etc. Yeah, it is the same ETC which you love writing. But what about its spelling? Have you ever thought its full form? So etc. spelling includes E after T. Next, you have sincerely. Yeah, very commonly used in your applications and letters, but mostly students miss out this E which is after R. So be careful. Definition. Is it pronounced like this? No, not at all. The pronunciation is definition. So the spelling cannot be nation. N-A won't come. The correct pronunciation will be definition. So there will be an I after N. So when you pronounce right, the spelling is going to be right. Okay, so not nation, it's nation. So I after N. Misspelled. Oh, we are doing misspelled spellings. But do you know that most of the students commit this error that they miss out the correct spelling for misspelled. So in misspelled, do not miss double S. Yes, there is a double S in misspelled, not single S. Colleagues. Yes, colleagues. What do we miss? What do the students miss? It is an A which is after E. So E loves the company of A. Next, argument. There is a lot of argument that after you there is an E. But sorry to say, it is not E. After you, there is no E in argument. So next time, there is no need to argue because in argument, there is only you and there is M after that. In argue, we have E after you. Pronunciation. But what is the spelling? Pronunciation? That's why it is wrong. The pronunciation is pronunciation. It's not pronunciation. So why there will be N-O-U-N? Not at all. When the pronunciation is pronunciation. So what is sounding? None. So the spelling will also be P-R-O-N-U-N. N-U-N for none. So let's check out again. Etc. includes E after T. Sincerely includes E after R. Definition loves I after N. In misspelled, do not miss double S. Colleagues, A after E. In argument, no E after U. And in pronunciation, it is none. So spelling will be N-U-N. Okay? So please mind the spellings and I hope you will not commit these spelling errors in future. Thank you.
इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए थैंक यू। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर करें। सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में उसे लिखें, हम जल्दी ही उसका रिप्लाई देंगे।